Hello, my name's stephanieitzelb and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is all the product I've gotten in the past month, I believe, and this is from collaborations, things people have bought for me, and just skincare that I'm supposed to try and review, and I haven't done that yet. So I thought I'd take you through what I kind of received. So the first product is actually a product that I've used before. It's called the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Daily Sun Gel. I actually did a collaboration with them for last year for this specific product, and I'm already out of it. I love this product. It's a sunscreen. I'm actually gonna unbox everything. This is what it looks like. It smells really good and I really like the texture. I have to post that video soon, but if you want a really good like sunscreen that has a really nice texture and it protects you, even though SPF 30 isn't that high, like it's a good option. The second thing I received was the Round Lab, which is just a very popular Korean brand. It's the Birch Juice Moisturizing Cream. I haven't opened it yet, I haven't tried it, but it comes with a little spoolie, and this is what it looks like. I really like this brand. They actually also sent me some masks, and I've tried them. The texture looks really nice. Let me actually try it on my hand. A lot of people ask me like what I do with my skincare, because I don't use all of it, but let's see what that looks like. I don't end up using all of it, but I do give a lot of it to my family in Panama and some friends and stuff. Most of the stuff I only use once and then I give it away, and then a lot of the stuff I don't use at all, and then I either I give it away to my family and stuff. Okay, something else I received was the Centillion 24 Plus Medica Derma Mask 3. This has, I don't even know how many masks it has, but I think it has like 5 masks in here. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm going to do that right now. Okay. Yeah, it actually comes with 10, which is crazy. This is what it looks like. Look how many come in here. That's a lot. When it's like this, sometimes I like to make little gift bags and like give it away to like my friends. This is the MRMR. It's a cleansing gel, I believe. I will be doing, it's a AGVCN Perfect Oil to Foam Cleanser. I think I'm gonna do this collaboration later. I'm just gonna wash my face and test it and see how I like it. But I have used, I think, a serum by them. They sent me something else last year or a few months ago. But most of these are all Korean brands. So, Purito Soul. I haven't worked with them yet. This is the Mighty Bamboo Panthenol Cleanser. I mean, look how cute this is. You open it and it has like a little design that says Rooted in Wonder, and then you open it like this, and then out comes the cleanser, and look at the messaging. And they also gave me the Wonder Relief Centella Serum Unscented. What I really like about this brand, Purito, I think they don't use, I think some of their products are unscented, which it's very gentle on the skin, because if you add fragrance based on my, I'm gonna actually try this serum on my hand right now. If you actually, when fragrance is added to a like skincare product, there's a loophole with the ingredients on the, like when they name the ingredients. Fragrance can mean a whole bunch of different like chemicals, and you don't really know. And I learned that in my esthetician class. I'm actually in the process of becoming an esthetician. or not really becoming an esthetician, but getting my esthetician license, I just wanted to learn more about the skin and not just like review products. And I want to be in the skincare industry too. I mean, I kind of am already. I'm just in the like content creation type. The last product is the Hydro Wave Deep Sea Cream. I mean, look how pretty this is. And it's so compact. Like, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I can put this in like a bag and like take it to go. Some of these products I actually do like and I keep, but not all of them. There's a lot of stuff that I've used that I haven't liked and I give away. And then there was a situation that actually happened to me last week, I believe, the week before last, where a company wanted to do a collaboration with me and they sent me like, I think it was like 5 different products. It was like 3 or 4 serums and then like a moisturizer. And I had never heard of this company before. I'm not going to mention who they are, but they are a Korean skincare company. And I received the product. I did the collaboration. I was supposed to put all 3 serums on my skin, not just one, and then put the lotion on top. When I put the serum on my skin, it literally felt like needles and like, it was like really, I don't know what that serum had in there, but I ended up emailing like the person in charge and I was like, look, like I can't do this collaboration because my face, it didn't swell up or anything, but it got so irritated and it felt like there was like shards of glass it just felt like I put it on my neck and it felt like there was a sore on my neck because of how it felt like so much burning, and it was not good. Okay, so I ended up emailing like the manager of the collaboration and I told her like there's no way that I could promote this on my social media if I don't believe in it. Like when I try product, a lot of it's like first impressions. I do research the product and I find out what it's supposed to do. But a lot of the time, if I don't like it, I'm not gonna promote it. Like I'm not gonna like review it because that product, like I cannot promote something that made my skin break out and like basically almost like hives. And my face was kind of sore for like a day or 2 after that. So like you can just imagine like how stressed I was. This is the Real Beauty Miracle Clear Brightening Triple Acid Exfoliant. I don't really get exfoliant for collaborations, but I think I emailed this brand and I asked if I could do something with them. This is not a Korean brand. Actually, yes it is. It's a Korean brand. It's manufactured in California, but it's Korean. I haven't tried the exfoliant. I think this wasn't a collaboration. This was like a PR. Like I don't have to post a video. A lot of these are where I don't have to post anything, but and then this was a gift. This is like my favorite thing in the whole wide world. It's called the SK2 by Terra. It's the set. It comes with the illuminating essence, the skin balancing essence, and the purifying foaming cleanser. And the best thing I've ever used in my whole life that like my skin loves is this essence. And I literally got it for Christmas and I still haven't opened it because like I don't want to use it because I'm so excited to, but that doesn't make any sense. So I'll probably be opening this pretty soon. I also got the Real Barrier Peptivita C Blemish Serum. I actually got a whole package from Real Barrier and I will be probably doing a YouTube video on this brand. They sent me the Essence Toner. This is a Korean brand as well. They sent me the Extreme Panthenol Toner Pad. I'll open these so you can see them. Like, look at this packaging. It's just so simple and pretty. Blue and white. Like, how nice. Those are like my 2 favorite colors. Blue and white. This is the Peptivita C Blemish Serum. This is the Extreme Panthenol Toner Pad. I'll just show you like what it looks like. And then this is the serum. And then this is the Real Barrier Extreme Cream. I always like to try the moisturizers because you can never have enough moisturizer. Moisturizer is like one of the most important things that you can do for your skin. besides sunscreen and of course cleanser. How much do you know about skin barrier? The structure of the human skin barrier and the structure of the MLE skin barrier. Look how cool they have like little messages on the packaging. Like, I'm such a sucker for like cool packaging. And then look how pretty this cream is. It has a silver top with white and blue. These are like my favorite colors. And then I also, I have a lot of skincare that I need to do videos on. I was sick with the flu and I had bronchitis, like, and it really affected my my school and stuff, and like I was dead for like a few weeks. Okay, I got the Face Shop. I've never tried the Face Shop, and there was so many of them in Korea when I lived there. This is a at-home aesthetics original collagen mask. I got the Face Shop Clean Beauty Foaming Cleanser, Rice Water Bright. I got another Face Shop at Home Aesthetics Vita Toning Collagen Mask. And then I got the CNP Laboratory Barrier Reset Cream. I've actually used this brand. I have the spray in my bathroom, and this is a really great brand. All of these brands are Korean except this one. This is Japanese. So yeah, I hope you like the video. If you want more videos like this, comment down below. I meant to film it like the other way, but I ended up filming it like this. I know it's kind of long, but I should be uploading more. It's just my schedule has been crazy since I started esthetician school, and I do graduate in like a month. I also will put like my little PO box, because I got one since I registered my I'll tell you all about that in another video. But yeah, look for the info to all this description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Have a good day. To show you guys, like, look how cute this sticker sheet is, and it's from the Centillion 24 brand. They sent it to me in the package, and it's just so adorable, right? Like, I love anyone that sends me stickers. If you have like a small business and you want me to advertise it on here, it would be awesome if you guys want to send me anything like letters or anything, and I'll put my address down below, okay? All right.